Welcome to our channel. Today we how to request replacement Humana Insurance ID card, member guide step by step clearly. To request a replacement Humana Insurance ID card, begin by visiting the official Humana website. Locate the member login section on the home page. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you do not have an account, you can create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the My Coverage tab in the main menu. Select the Request ID card option from the drop-down menu. Review the information displayed to confirm it matches your records. Select the option for a replacement card if necessary. Choose your preferred delivery method for the card. You may have the option to receive it via mail or as a digital card. If you select mail, ensure your address is correct and up to date. If you prefer a digital ID card, follow the prompts to download or save it. After submitting your request, you will receive a confirmation message. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your request. Your replacement ID card will be mailed to you or made available digitally based on your selection. If you have any issues, consider contacting Humana customer service for assistance. Their representatives can help resolve any questions or concerns you may have. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.